The SSL fraud scandal is heating up again. The Financial Services Commission is now reportedly taking steps to shut down the company completely. I'm Kalila Reynolds, financial journalist and educator based in Jamaica. And you guys keep asking me for an update on whether Bolt will get back his money. Well, here you go. And you can make of this what you will. According to a report from the Sunday Gleaner, the FSC is now officially trying to wind up or liquidate SSL because the company doesn't have enough money to pay back its debts. So liquidation basically means that the company will be shut down and all of its assets sold off to repay those debts. So back in January, when the scandal first broke, the FSC placed a temporary manager in charge of SSL. They also barred the investment firm from making any trades. Now that the manager has been in place for a couple of months, he's pretty much saying, yep, it's as bad as we thought. So some quick definitions before we go into this next part. Assets are what the company owns and liabilities are what it owes. Cool? A balance sheet reports a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity, but you also have off-balance sheet items such as loans that are not recorded on the balance sheet. So according to the Gleaner's article, up to January 31, SSL had assets of 1.1 billion and liabilities of 1.2 billion. So already they owe more than they own. But a source also told the Gleaner that around 62% of SSL's assets are monies due from related party companies, which are uncollectible at this time. So SSL really only has 432 million in assets on their balance sheet. Meanwhile, their liabilities are stacking up and the company's losses for the year so far are reportedly up to $184 million. Plus, they have around 29 million of negative equity, totaling 623 million. Plus, the company owes 40 million in taxes. So the Gleaner report also noted that the company has 29 billion off-sheet balance assets, which would almost cover the original investments of 8,000 active SSL clients, but it would still be short 200 million. Essentially, any way you look at it, the company just doesn't have enough money to crawl out of this debt. So the FSC is asking the Supreme Court for permission to just shut the company down and sell everything they can. It's a sad but not completely unexpected update with the case, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to my newsletter at KalilaReynolds.com/newsletter for more info like this. And let's get this money.